First major legal argument started today in the murder case against former police officer Aaron Dean. He is accused of killing Atatiana Jefferson in her mother's home in Fort Worth. That happened more than 2 years ago. Jason Allen was in the courtroom today to keep you up to speed.
Aaron Dean appeared in court clean-shaven Monday for the first important hearings ahead of his murder trial. The hearing was moved to a larger courtroom in a largely empty civil courthouse where Judge David Hagerman shook his head, shrugged his shoulders, and let out audible sighs.
Again.
As Dean's team went through dozens of detailed evidence requests from prosecutors looking for anything that might help the former police officer.
All right, so I guess if you got any charge cards or any receipts that he signed for taking advantage of Dillard's 2-for-1 sale, I guess you better turn that over too, but I'm not exactly sure what we're talking about.
Dean's defense team wanted everything from full disciplinary records for more than 150 officers who were at the scene of the crime to video from city cameras. Some video they already found is going to be used when they argue to move the trial out of Fort Worth, an issue still expected to be handled this week. And despite frustration over all the extra work it could create for prosecutors, the judge was mostly willing to give the defense team what it asked for.
But if you don't and something comes up, then you know what's going to happen.
The trial is still scheduled to start in January, but there are some expert witnesses that have some scheduling conflicts. Even today, arguments started late because the attorneys had scheduled conflicts as courts keep working through that big pandemic backlog. The arguments are scheduled to continue, though, here tomorrow morning. In Fort Worth, Jason Allen, CBS 11 News.